Mahatma Gandhi passed away at the age of 78 in year 1948. Now it is year 2026. 78 years have passed since he passed away. But when we looked at the present day world, the world of wars and very serious environmental problems, we realize that the message of Mahatma Gandhi is even more relevant to solving the problems of present day world. Mahatma Gandhi gave a very important message of non-violence in everyday life. If human life is lived on the basis of non-violence, then so many problems of daily life that people suffer from can be reduced very significantly, reducing distress in human society. At the same time, Mahatma Gandhi was thinking of non-violence in the international context as a means of reducing the extreme danger of wars. If we can create a continuity from non-violence in daily life to non-violence in international affairs, then the possibility of wars can be reduced, and at the level of ordinary people all over the world, a very strong support for minimizing wars and for disarmament can be created. This would also involve doing away entirely with weapons of mass destruction. Mahatma Gandhi devoted his life to a series of experiments, in fact, continuing experiments of using non-violence for resisting injustice. All through his life, we see so many experiments, so many creative ways of using non-violence for resisting injustice in many ways. However, at the same time, he emphasized several many-sided constructive activities to go along with struggles. So what he was basically trying to achieve was a combination of struggles and a series of constructive activities which could be selected in accordance with the needs of any society. In the context of contemporary India, he placed a lot of emphasis on opposing alcohol and all intoxicants, and in addition, he placed a lot of emphasis on public hygiene, nutrition, and a lot of other things also. In addition, there is potential for a lot of very creative work relating to rural development activities when we combine struggles with constructive activities. At a time when the entire world was thinking of development in terms of increasing urbanization, Mahatma Gandhi emphasized a very different approach to development, which was based on the strengthening of rural communities and, in addition, also the increasing self-reliance of rural communities. Even in present day world, if we think along these lines, then there are several possibilities like spread of natural farming, spread of khadi or hand woven and hand spun cloth, many kinds of industrial activities that can be carried out in villages in the form of cottage and small scale industries. All this is very much a part of Mahatma Gandhi's conception of the kind of economic life that he wanted to encourage. In addition, in terms of his economic philosophy, he placed equal emphasis on simplicity as well as equality. Whereas some have emphasized only equality, but he was emphatic that along with equality, we should also place equal emphasis on simplicity. If we add up these two aspects, his very high emphasis on rural communities as the base of development activities and his emphasis on simplicity and equality, then these together create a very strong base for protection of environment. Without using words like protection of environment, actually Mahatma Gandhi, in terms of the wholeness of his ideas, was creating a very strong base for environment protection, which is very important in the present day context. If we look at his ideas regarding reforms in Indian society, these are also equally relevant today. He placed a lot of emphasis on interfaith harmony and on mutual respect for each other's religion by all people. This is a very important message not only for India but for the entire world today. In addition, Mahatma Gandhi placed a lot of emphasis on helping the poorest. He said those who are poorest should get our highest priority. And he also placed a lot of importance on helping those who in historical terms have suffered a lot of injustice. In this context, he placed a lot of emphasis on helping the Dalit communities and on social equalities and on ending all forms of discrimination in Indian society. Mahatma Gandhi was also a big supporter of women playing more important and wider social roles. If we look at the totality of Mahatma Gandhi's thinking in the context of the problems of present day India as well as present day world, these messages of Mahatma Gandhi and these learnings from his work are very important for resolving the most important problems of present day world. So these are very relevant for India as well as for the entire